Welcome to Information Center. Establishment rule combination of different kinds of leave. Except as provided otherwise under these rules. Any kind of leave under these rules may be granted in combination with or in continuation of any other kind of leave. Note: casual leave which is not reorganized as leave under these rules shall not be combined with any other kind of leave admissible under these rules. There is, however, no objection to casual leave being followed by quarantine leave. Combination of holidays with leave. First, when the date immediately preceding the day on which a railway servant leave being or immediately following the day on which his leave expires is a holiday or one of a series of holidays, the railway servant may leave his station at the close of the day before or return to it on the day following such holidays, provided that a. His transfer or assumption of charge does not involve the handing or taking over of securities or monies other than a permanent advance. B. His yearly debenture does not entail a correspondingly yearly transfer from another station of a railway servant to perform his duties, and C. The delay in his return does not involve a corresponding delay in the transfer to another station of the railway servant who was performing his duties during his absence or in the discharge from railway service of a person temporarily appointed to it. Second, in the case of leave on medical certificate. A. When a railway servant is certified medically unwell to attend office holidays, if any, immediately preceding the railway he is so certified shall be allowed automatically to be prefixed to leave, and the holidays, if any, immediately succeeding the railway he is so certified, including that day, shall be treated as part of the leave, and B. When a railway servant is certified medically fit for joining duty, holidays, if any, succeeding the day he is so certified shall be allowed automatically be allowed to be suffixed to the leave, and holidays, if any, proceeding the day he is so certified, including that day, shall be treated as part of the leave. Third, on condition that the departing railway servant remains responsible for the monies in charge. The competent authority may in any particular case waive the application of clause A or proviso to the sub-rule first. Fourth, unless the authority competent to grant leave in any case otherwise directs A. If holidays are prefixed to leave, the leave and any consequent rearrangement of pay and allowances take effect from the day after the holidays end. B. If holidays are suffixed to leave, the leave is treated as having terminated and any consequent rearrangement of pay and allowances take effect from the day on which the leave would have ended if holidays had not been suffixed. Note: Railway Ministry's decision all holidays notified locally by railway administrations may be treated as holidays for the purpose of Rules 506 and 508. Since the declaration of holidays as reorganized holidays rests with the President, the list of holidays should be approved by that authority. The above decision does not apply to offices which follow holidays declared by central and state government or union territories.